This is Adi Lila chapter 17, verse 90 through 97. Hegdin Prabhu Shiva Sereya Gyadila Brihat Sahasranama Pada Shunite Manohaila. One day Vishambara ordered Shivas Thakur to read the Brihat Sahasranam, the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu, for he wanted to hear them at that time. So even Lord Chaitanya used to listen to these different prayers. As we recite, in our line we prefer to recite Radha Sahasranam. Well, there's 2 Radha Sahasranams. One is from Narada Pancharatra, Radha Sahasranam, and there's another one from another Purana, Bhavishya Uttara Puran. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he favored Narada Pancharatra. This is the Bhakti Shastra, and the Goswamis would often quote from Narada Pancharatra. So he took out the Sahasranam from there and published it as a separate book with a Bengali annotation. So the verses are in Sanskrit and also Bengali. Now, of course, it's available in English. So the followers of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they often chant, or other devotees, they chant Radha Sahasranam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's also doing the same thing. He's hearing a recitation of Vishnu Sahasranam. Of course, he is Vishnu. He's Krishna, he's Vishnu. So this is showing us that this is something that the Gaudiya Vaishnavas do. They chant Radha Sahasranam and stotrams and stutis. Rupa Goswami and all the Goswamis, they wrote so many beautiful astakams and prayers. So Lord Chaitanya is sitting, hearing the wonderful names of the Lord from Srivas Thakur, who is none other than Narada Muni. So Narada Muni is speaking Sahasranam, Vishnu Sahasranam, on the request of Lord Chaitanya.